The impact of IoT devices on customer data and marketing. IoT devices collect data continuously. They provide a real-time view of customer interactions with products and services. Unlike traditional data sources, IoT devices provide granular insights, capturing information such as behavioral data. Smart devices track user habits, like app usage and daily routines. Personalization at an unprecedented scale. Tailored recommendations. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use IoT algorithms. They recommend content based on users' preferences. Enhanced customer engagement. IoT devices enable two-way communication between businesses and customers. This creates more interactive, engaging experiences. For instance, proactive support. Smart appliances, like washing machines, can alert users and makers to maintenance needs. This ensures timely repairs and reduces downtime. Challenges of IoT data in marketing. Data privacy concerns. IoT devices often collect sensitive data. This raises questions about how it is stored, shared, and used. Customers are increasingly wary of how companies handle their personal information. IoT and predictive analytics. One of the biggest impacts of IoT on marketing is its role in predictive analytics. It has transformed the field. By analyzing historical and real-time data from IoT devices, businesses can. The future of IoT in marketing. As IoT technology continues to evolve, its impact on marketing will only grow. Here are a few trends to watch. Voice commerce. With the rise of voice-activated devices, marketers must optimize for voice search and shopping. AR and VR. IoT-powered AR and VR will let customers try before they buy, improving online shopping. IoT, AI, and other new tech will help businesses. They can create more innovative and effective marketing strategies. This will blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Conclusion. In conclusion, the proliferation of IoT devices has ushered in a new era of customer data and marketing. Using IoT insights, businesses can create personalized, engaging, and timely marketing.